Blessed Rune Sugeza aiwa auya neimportant update panguva inoyi. Pana paari kunzi nevakomana panguva inoyi Blessed Geza aiwa ari kuprotectiwa nevakomana vemauto paKG6 Barracks. Panapa pane important update yaanobuda achiupdata through vakomana veZim-I. Panapa nyatsoona kuti vakomana ava they are serious and his military backing neimwe backing yatisiri aware of panguva ino. Vakomana aiwa they are 100% effective. And go subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Team Zim-I wabuda kuti Blessed Geza finally reviews next step in time. Number 1, Blessed Geza announces critical time for movement, the next step. Geza provides a precise timeline for the next phase of his movement, stating action is imminent within the next 2 days. Number 2, Geza dismisses he is on the run from Mnangagwa. The War Veteran spokesperson laughs off suggesting that he is in hiding, confidently stating that he and his team are in control. Number 3, ZanuPF Mabuchi refers to Mnangagwa as a former president. A slip-up or deliberate statement. The Women's League secretary remarks it fueled the speculation about Mnangagwa's weakening power. Number 4, Mnangagwa plans to extend his presidency by cancelling 2028 elections. The Zimbabwean leader allegedly aims to bypass the constitution by prolonging his rule by 2 more years, triggering internal party tensions. Number 5, Geza's Liberators platform to release CID dossier on Mnangagwa's true Sanla status. A potentially explosive revelation that claims Mnangagwa was never a true Sanla member but an infiltrator, similar to the associate Maxwell Kumbutso. Number 6, Ziyambi exposes Mnangagwa's hidden role in the 2030 agenda. The Justice Minister is caught admitting that Mnangagwa would pretend ignorance about the controversial plan despite its launch at his farm. Thomas Kwanamdanyo Papanapa, Nakumanism, all these 6 critical points they against the Zimbabwean leader. One of the Pangwa Inui, Zadakwa, Wakumana Pangwa Inet, Yubona Vargez Vachiti, they are in full control. That's one it is the end of Mnangagwa dynasty. To the Mafungo Embot Kudi Pamsoro Chitko each, Nakumazing Shemedu, so subscribe or like, and on the bell icon.